What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be building an infinity mirror, and if you don't know what that is, it looks something like this. And you basically just put some LEDs around the edge and it looks like it just goes on forever and ever and ever. So I'm going to show you some of the parts we're going to be using. We have these smart LED lights, and basically it comes with a remote and you can change all the different colors, and you have the plug that goes into the wall. And then we have these two rolls of the actual strips. And then right here, I pick up the first one. It is a two-way mirror. So if you look, you can actually see through it part way, and you can see the reflection, which is pretty cool. So that's the front of the mirror. And then this would be the back mirror, and you cannot see through this one. It's just a normal mirror. And right now they have the plastic on them, but I'm gonna keep that on to the end just so I don't scratch it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start by cutting one of these in half. So I can have two small mirrors instead of just one. So we're gonna go ahead and start by doing that. Also, I want you guys to keep in mind that these sheets are acrylic and they're not actual glass. Otherwise, I would not be cutting it the same way I am right now. Alright, so we got the lights. I just ran them around. See the remote, we could change the color. I think this is a good color for now. Now what I'm going to show you is we got the mirror on the back, and this is a two-way mirror. I'm just going to kind of set it on there at an angle. If I shut the lights off, you can see how it goes on and on and on. And right now it's blurry, just because I still have the film on here just to protect it. You can see underneath it's much more clear. But that's basically the concept. You see it just goes on and on and on. So we're going to go ahead and make a base for it, glue the lights in, glue these mirrors in. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so the frame is dried. I let it sit overnight, and I cut out this piece of foam board here, and just cut out the same size as your frame, the inside, and it just sits in there like that. And I'm going to go ahead and glue the inside in, and then after that I'm going to put some glue down, glue the first mirror on, which again is only the normal mirror. And basically I left a small gap at the bottom so the LEDs can slip through, just the wires. So right now, it's just a normal mirror, and it's just got the LEDs in there. And you can only see two rings going around the edge of it. But now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get the two-way mirror. And if I even just set that on top, you can see the effect that we get. It looks like it goes on forever and ever and ever. I still have the film on there, That's why it doesn't look like the best quality. So we're gonna go ahead and glue this in. Alright guys, so there we go. We finished the infinity mirror. I did turn the lights down in here just so you could actually see what it looks like. And I did end up putting a bit of stain on here to make it look nice. But yeah, I think honestly this is a pretty easy project to do. You know, you just need a bit of wood, or you could even make this frame out of foam board if you really wanted. And then you just have the normal mirror with the two-way mirror at the front and your LEDs. And in the future, I might even put the KB, the logo, on the front of here, and I can engrave that with the Dremel. Thank you guys for watching the video. You can also see my Instagram page at KB_KingBuilds. But make sure to subscribe to this video, and then you can give it a like as well. Tell all your friends about it, and thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.